Locusts, or loci, or they should be said, are points that apply to different constraints. So this says equidistance between points A and B. So it wants all the points that are the same distance from A and B. Basically, all the points in the middle, or a line that runs through the middle. Okay, all these points are the same distance from A and B, equal distance. Now, it's not asking you to get a ruler and measure the distance between the two at all. It's in actual fact telling you not to do that in any way, shape or form. Okay, this harks back, so it goes back to when you didn't have set rulers and you had string, okay, and you constructed different things. Okay, so it's going back to the time before the maths that you used to, or the maths that people used in like Greek times and so on. So I need to bisect the line between these two. That's also what we're thinking about here. Now, to bisect or find a line that is perpendicular through here, I open my compass so it's over halfway and I do an arc across that way. I keep the compass the same size, I don't alter it, and if you've got a rubbish compass in your exam, ask for another, and I do it across from the other side. Okay, so I get that shape. Some people that were more accurate, they'll miss out the middle part and they'll just have those two crosses above and below. I like to just do it like that so I don't have to worry. And then I connect the two crosses. Okay. The next bit is asking for the locus of all the points around the line. That's the key technique that they learn, that you learn, involving two separate principles. Now, all the points that are 3 centimeters away from the sides of the line, they're quite easy to see. They're 3 centimeters away. Now, if I did this continuously, I'd have a line that's straight, okay, actually parallel to this line, 3 centimeters away, and it'd be the same on the other side. So what you do is you actually measure 3 centimeters away from each end of the line and connect that up. So that's the locus above the line, 3 centimeters away, and I do the same below. And I connect that up. But that is only from the side of the line. Okay, that is not all the line. We're still missing the ends of the line. Okay. Now imagine that it wasn't a piece of string like I was referring to, and I had both fingers connected. If I pulled the end finger around, the piece of string will keep me locked. Get my finger out of the way. Keep me locked on an arc. Okay, our interpretation, compass. Okay, so what I need to do is open the compass 3 centimeters wide. With compasses, it's important that you have your pencil and point in level, and it'll make it easy to draw. Some people have them not lined up, they have them really silly, okay, like that or like that, and it's dead hard to draw. It's too hard to keep it level. So use your ruler, put your point on one end and open it out so it's 3 centimeters wide, like that. Okay, get rid of the ruler, and hopefully when you do it, you should see that it's connected to the end of the construction you made earlier on. And you join them up, go around. Okay. It's like a running track effect, and do it from the other side. Now, you don't have to have a beautiful picture, but you do have to have the right information. The technique for doing compasses really well is do it very light. The lighter you are, the easier it's going to be. Okay. Now you can rub out any overlapping parts like that, but that is perfect. I don't need to, because it shows that I actually constructed that without having to cheat. I use the equipment that I was asked to use.